This is the version 2 of the SB15 highly padded rolling 15-inch professional PA speaker bag that features multiple carry handles including a trolley handle, straps to secure your PA speaker into the bag, as well as a side strap to carry your PA speaker stand, and a zippered pocket to bring along all of your wires, cables, and accessories. This bag is an upgraded version of our super highly popular and reviewed SB15 bag, but the bag has been upgraded in the following 4 ways. Number 1. More padding was added all throughout the bag to ensure maximum protection for your PA speaker during transport. Number 2. On top of adding thicker foam internal padding, a layer of plastic was added as well to give the bag an overall padded but semi-rigid feel to maintain its shape. Number 3. One side of the bag now features a strap and pocket system to run your speaker stand through so you can secure it with you and take it on the go with your bag. This allows you to organize each PA speaker and PA speaker stand together so you always know you're not missing any equipment for your performance, show, or event. Number 4. All of the zippers have been upgraded to high quality YKK zippers, and zipper tracks have been made more water resistant and have a clean and satisfying look because you can zip the main part of the bag shut and the material will cover most of the zipper track. And number 5, we now include a protective and flexible square foam piece that's wrapped in strong cloth and serves multiple purposes. If your speaker is a bit smaller, either in height, width, or depth, you can place this foam piece on the side, top, or bottom of the speaker to make it fit snugly in the bag like this. This foam square piece can also be added to the bottom, side, or top of your speaker as an extra layer of protection for your speaker. Now this bag will fit any 15-inch PA speaker that has dimensions of 17 inches by 18 inches by 28.5 inches or less, and when you open the main compartment, there are 2 straps with a buckle lock so you can secure your speaker tightly into the bag so it won't move or shift around during transport. We highly recommend strapping your speaker into the bag, especially if you're going to use the trolley and wheels to pull the bag. On top of the trolley handle, there are also carry handles on the bottom and top of the bag so you can easily place the bag on its back. And there are these rubber spikes on the bottom to keep the bag from moving or sliding while you are loading or unloading your speaker. There's another set of carry handles that velcro together if you want to carry the bag horizontally instead of using the trolley handles. And the bag also features a giant accessory pocket that you can put all of your power cables, wires, microphones, and other accessories you might need for your PA speaker. This bag is going to become the one bag you need to transport your 15-inch PA speaker, accessories, and stands from gig to gig and everywhere in between. So if you're looking for a professional PA speaker bag that features multiple carry handles, a trolley handle and wheels, straps to secure your PA speaker into the bag, as well as a side strap system to carry your PA speaker stands, a zippered pocket to bring alongside all of your wires, cables, and accessories, and more, look no further than the version 2 of the SB15 from Rockville.